What if I told you that 10 minutes a day could reduce stress, ease back pain, improve digestion, balance hormones, and even protect your heart? No pills, no expensive equipment, just your body and your breath. Yoga isn't just stretching on a mat, it's medicine in motion, backed by science and practice for thousands of years. In today's fast, stressful world, your body is silently suffering. Tight muscles, anxious thoughts, poor sleep, low energy. In this video, I'll guide you through powerful yoga poses, explain exactly how they work, and show how yoga can heal you from the inside out. Stay with me, your body will thank you. Modern life is damaging our health in ways we barely notice. Long sitting hours, screen addiction, stress, poor posture, shallow breathing, all slowly weaken the body. Yoga works because it targets three systems at once: the musculoskeletal system, the nervous system, the endocrine, and cardiovascular systems. Unlike exercise that only builds muscles, yoga restores balance. Let's begin with the foundation. Stand straight, feet together, weight evenly distributed, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the ground. Breathe deeply for 30-60 seconds. Physical benefits: improves posture, strengthens thighs, knees, ankles, reduces back and neck pain, corrects spinal alignment. Medical benefits: helps people with slipped disc, improves balance in elderly patients, reduces early joint degeneration. Mental benefits: improves focus, reduces anxiety, builds body awareness. Tadasana looks simple, but it retrains your body to stand correctly, something most people forgot years ago. Vrikshasana: stand on one leg. Place other foot on inner thigh or calf, hands in prayer position. Focus on one point, hold for 20-40 seconds. Its physical benefits are: strengthens legs and hips, improves knee stability, enhances coordination. Neurological: improves brain, muscle connection, enhances balance control, helpful for people with early neurological weakness. Mental benefits are: increases patience, improves concentration, calms racing thoughts. If you struggle with balance physically or emotionally, this pose trains both. Downward dog: how to do it. Hands and feet on mat, hips lifted, heels pushing toward floor, neck relaxed, hold for 30-60 seconds. Benefits: musculoskeletal, stretches spine, hamstrings, calves, strengthens shoulders and arms, relieves lower back stiffness. Circulatory: improves blood flow to brain, reduces fatigue, helps mild headaches. Digestive: gently massages abdominal organs, improves bowel movement. Seated forward bend: how to do it. Sit with legs extended, inhale, lengthen spine, exhale, bend forward, hold ankles or shins, stay for 30-60 seconds. Benefits: digestive: improves digestion, relieves constipation, reduces bloating. Metabolic: helps regulate blood sugar, beneficial for mild diabetes. Mental: deeply calming, reduces insomnia, helps depression and anxiety. Bhujangasana: lie on stomach. Hands under shoulders, inhale and lift chest, elbows slightly bent, hold for 20-30 seconds. Benefits: strengthens spine, reduces discompression, improves flexibility, expands lungs. Beneficial in asthma, improves oxygen intake, stimulates adrenal glands, helps reduce chronic fatigue for people with desk jobs. This pose reverses hours of poor posture. Trikonasana, triangle pose, side stretch, wide stance, feet wide apart, one foot turned out, extend arms, bend sideways, look upward. It strengthens legs, improves hip mobility, reduces waist fat, improves digestion, relieves menstrual discomfort. Balasana, child's pose, knees down, forehead touching mat, kneel down, sit on heels, fold forward, arms stretched or relaxed. It activates parasympathetic system, reduces cortisol, stress hormone, relieves anxiety, improves sleep, emotional grounding. If your mind feels heavy, rest here. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose, back arch, shoulders grounded, lie on back, knees bent, lift hips, hold 20-40 seconds. Benefits are: strengthens lower back, improves thyroid function, helps mild depression, improves blood circulation. Shavasana, corpse pose, person lying still, soft breathing, lie flat, palms facing up, eyes closed, focus on breath, stay 5-10 minutes. Benefits are: deep nervous system recovery, reduces blood pressure, improves sleep quality, integrates all benefits of yoga. This pose is not rest, it's healing. Ustrasana. How to do it. Kneel on the floor with your knees hip width apart. Place your hands on your lower back and gently lean backward, lifting your chest. If comfortable, hold your heels with your hands. Breathe deeply and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Ustrasana opens the chest and lungs, improves posture, strengthens the spine, stimulates hormonal glands, improves breathing, and helps release emotional tension. Matsyasana. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Place your hands under your hips, press your forearms into the floor, and lift your chest. Gently rest the crown of your head on the mat without putting pressure on the neck. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Matsyasana improves lung capacity, stimulates the thyroid gland, relieves neck and shoulder stiffness, improves posture, and supports hormonal balance. Vajrasana. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels with your spine upright. Place your hands on your thighs and breathe normally. This pose can be held for several minutes and can be practiced after meals. Vajrasana improves digestion, reduces acidity and bloating, calms the mind, supports meditation, and improves posture. Marjariyasana, Bitilasana, Cow. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale and arch your back while lifting your chest and tailbone. Exhale and round your spine, tucking your chin toward your chest. Repeat slowly with your breath for 1 to 2 minutes. This flow increases spinal flexibility, relieves back stiffness, improves posture, enhances circulation, and reduces stress. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half tremble. Sit with one leg bent and crossed over the other. Twist your torso toward the bent knee, placing one hand behind you for support. Keep your spine tall and breathe deeply. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This pose improves spinal mobility, stimulates digestive organs, reduces stiffness, supports detoxification, and improves nerve function. Leg split pose. Start in a kneeling position with one foot forward. Slowly slide the front leg forward and the back leg backward while keeping your hips facing forward. Support yourself with your hands or yoga blocks. Lower only as far as comfortable, breathe deeply, and hold for 20-40 seconds. Switch sides. This pose improves flexibility of hips and hamstrings. Stretches thighs and groin muscles. Enhances lower body mobility. Improves posture and circulation, builds patience and body awareness. Arch pose. Chakala lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip width apart, close to the hips. Place your palms beside your ears with fingers pointing toward the shoulders. Press your hands and feet into the floor, lift your hips, chest, and head, and straighten your arms to form a full arch. Breathe normally and hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower down. Increases flexibility of the spine, strengthens arms, shoulders, legs, and back. Opens the chest and improves lung capacity. Stimulates the nervous and endocrine systems. Boosts energy and confidence. Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with your hands and gently move your knees up and down like butterfly wings. Keep your back straight and breathe deeply. Hold for 30-60 seconds. It stretches inner thighs and groin muscles. Improves hip flexibility. Enhances blood circulation in the pelvic area. Helps relieve menstrual discomfort. Supports digestion. Reduces lower body stiffness. Headstand pose, Sirsasana. Kneel on the floor and interlock your fingers, placing your forearms on the mat. Rest the top of your head lightly on the floor between your hands. Lift your knees off the ground and slowly walk your feet closer to your body. Gently raise your legs upward, keeping your core engaged and body straight. Hold for a few seconds while breathing normally, then slowly lower your legs down. Practice under guidance if you are a beginner. It improves blood circulation to the brain, strengthens shoulders, arms, and core. Enhances balance and body control. Improves focus and mental clarity. May help reduce stress and anxiety. Headstand with leg split, Sirsasana variation. Start in a basic headstand position. Interlock your fingers, place your forearms on the mat, and rest the crown of your head gently on the floor. Lift your legs straight up, keeping your body aligned and core engaged. Once stable, slowly open your legs into a wide split, keeping them straight and controlled. Breathe normally and hold for a few seconds. Slowly bring the legs back together before lowering down safely. Attempt this only if you are comfortable with a regular headstand, and practice under supervision if you are a beginner. It improves blood circulation to the brain, strengthens shoulders, arms, and core muscles. Enhances balance and body control. Deeply stretches inner thighs and hamstrings. Improves hip flexibility. Boosts focus, confidence, and mental stability. Yoga is not about extreme flexibility or difficult poses. It is about consistency, awareness, and balance. Even a short daily practice can improve physical health, mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall quality of life. When practiced regularly and safely, yoga becomes one of the most powerful tools for preventive and supportive healthcare.